Hello everyone. In this module, we will learn nouns gender. As we know, a noun is the name of a person, place, an animal, or a thing. A person can be a male or a female. An animal can be a male or a female. Based on their gender, we can classify nouns into four genders, and they are masculine, feminine, common, and neuter. Masculine nouns are words for boys, men, and male animals. Feminine nouns are words for girls, women, and female animals. Common nouns are words that can be used for male or female and neuter for lifeless things. Now we learn all these genders in detail. Masculine gender. A noun that refers to a male, maybe an animal or a person, is called masculine gender. For example, king belongs to a male category. Horse, the name of an animal, and horse belongs to a male category. Father belongs to a male category, and lion, an example of an animal, belongs to a male category. Feminine gender. A noun that refers to a female, maybe an animal or a person, is called a feminine gender. For example, queen. We have just read masculine, king, and the feminine gender is queen. Feminine gender of horse, mare. Feminine gender of father, mother. And same feminine gender of lion, lioness. Next is common gender. A noun that can denote both a male and a female is said to be of the common gender. For example, teacher. Children, you must have noticed in school also, many of the times you simply say, my teacher is very good. My teacher is a kind person. A teacher can be a male or a female. Same here, student. A student can be a boy or a girl. Doctor belongs to common gender. A doctor can be a male or a female. Same is the case if we say a lawyer, a baby, a dancer, an artist, a minister. All these nouns belong to common gender. Next is neuter gender. A noun that denotes a non-living thing is said to be of the neuter gender. So many examples of nouns around you. If you simply say book, table, chair, map, bag, toy, computer, many things around you, lifeless things, or we can say non-living things, they belong to neuter gender. They are neither male nor female. Remember children, gender of common and neuter noun cannot be changed. Let's make it more clear by doing an activity. Look at these words: watch, bull, singer, mistress, poet, cousin, hen, bag, hero, computer. Now we'll write these words in the category, the gender they belong to. First one is watch. neither a male nor a female, a non-living thing. Noun, and the gender is neuter gender. Bull, masculine. Singer, common gender. A singer can be a boy or a girl. Mistress, feminine gender. Poet, masculine. Cousin, can be a boy or a girl. You simply say, he is my cousin, she is my cousin. Hen, feminine gender. Bag, belongs to neuter gender. Hero, masculine, and computer, neuter, non-living thing. Children, I hope you must have understood the concept. Thank you.